we launch these drones, we're going to do what's called a NASCAR start. So pilots are going to launch, they're going to go around the far pylon, that's that second pylon with the blue gate in the pole. They're going to come all the way around, not hit any of the gates until they get to this red and green flashing gate. And that's going to start the first lap. And then we're going to do 3 laps of racing.
So this NASCAR start, as we call it, it gives all the pilots a chance to get sort of clean air and get a fair fight in a way, because if any of the pilots hit each other or the elements before the official start gate right here, we don't really give them a full chance to race each other, and so that helps kind of get all the pilots going around the track. So we are ready to go. Word on the behind the scenes here, pilots, we have thumbs up, which means they have good video from them. Behind the scenes, we're ready to go with timing, so as soon as we count this down, this is going to be Heat 1, Elimination Race number 1. 5th place here is going to Norwich.
Here we go, guys. Let's cheer them off for this launch.
Right, now start start. So again, you want to be top 4. Usually go easy. We don't see players in some fashion, but let's see how they do.
Oh, all 3 coming through the same time right now. Zion, the blue zone, the leader, with an Irish rover and WILDTYPE pushing him from behind. WILDTYPE gets up in the P2. Here we go, coming around lap number 1. Zion with a little mistake, that's around WILDTYPE to make a pass, but Zion knocks out WILDTYPE. Annihilation Rover is going to take the pass. Now it's a 1-2 battle to come here.
Ooh, that was a good pass there from Red of getting ahead of the battle for the last place. Now is red and white, so one of these pilots is going home, and that's the top 3 making mistakes.
So right now we got the white zone esophagus versus the red zone WILDTYPE in the back. Final lap to go for these 2 pilots here, guys.
And then go final lap, the white zone currently sitting in 5th place needs to get ahead of yellow or red. Either of these pilots, Red's making a move up, maybe trying to get one more place to be even safer here. With the blue is safe, he lives to see another race. Green, red, yellow. That's going to be esophagus. Eliminating your first Arizona pilot to go out.
Let's give a round of applause, everybody. Esophagus. All right, ready to go, John. This is heat number 2, guys. It's here for him. Let's count him down. Here we go.
Let's see who's going to stay alive. Getting a little bit harder here. It could be the top 3 to move on.
Alright, we're live racing. WILDTYPE in lead. Zion second. Zion gets dropped out. He's back up there. So you see the top and forward. He's back. It looks like Blippo knocked him out there in the yellow zone. So right now we've got WILDTYPE in the lead coming off for lap number 2.
Ooh, Green was down. That opened the door for Blue to get the pass. So Blue was behind here, and then Green had a little bit of trouble in the backside, but now Green is chasing Blue to try to get back in this race to stay alive.
Green's got to push up the Madison logo for the Dallas Ravens. Zion, not a pilot we want to be chasing when we come from behind.
WILDTYPE right there from Phoenix leading.
Final lap to go for these pilots, Madison rover. You can use one of the best advantage, guys. He's got a propeller here. So there,
got away from Zion and the yellow drone.
Alright, it's not over until they all cross the line. Let's see what happens here. WILDTYPE's going to take the win. Looking second. Power with the extra the crowd.
Annihilation Rover in green coming up forward. Unfortunately, we have to send Annihilation Rover is the second elimination heat rerun.
Redemption from Annihilation Rover. Alright, let's launch them.
Coming around the outside this time.
There we go, we're not racing now, we are clean. We've got, looks like Zion, the blue zone, in the lead again. He's been dominating these teams.
Every team here, pushing out of the front, he is doing that whole gate. All 2, 3, and 4, which is the battle for the pole position to move on, is now clean. Just ahead here, Green gets it along a little bit. Annihilation Rover dropping back behind Blitz to go.
So yeah, Annihilation Rover, looking to grab.
trying to look at the lawnmower and drops back in the back of the pack. We got one more lap to go here. As these pilots come to the start finish here. Zion, WILDTYPE. And now he's a little bit down the same spot again. So I think he's out. Robo. He was get back up. He had caught up to the yellow and looked like he was trying to make the pass over here on the right side, but he is upside down on his way to all of these other pilots, about a half a lap ahead now. Ooh, done, Zion. WILDTYPE Arizona done. Rick from Florida done. That means we gave him an eviction Robo a second life and a second chance, but unfortunately he is going home again. And which two pilots are going to go on to the final race after this race. So we're going to do one race here with three, top two moving on to the final championship race with two pilots. Two more races. I see pilots in goggles. I see good video on the monitors. Alright, let's see if WILDTYPE gets a good battery here. You heard it. He wants to get give Zion a run for his money. We can see the voltage up here. And here we go, guys. Let's cheer him on. Team number 3. Cheer him on. The louder you cheer, the faster they go. Legacy submission of skill. Grand Prix. Zion getting out front here, but WILDTYPE is right with him. Here we go. He is giving him and he's back up. He's going to have to go with Red to stay alive. WILDTYPE, he's going to get battle. He's going to knock him out of the race. Yeah, just take him out. Take out the gun and just happen. Ooh, a little bit of a direction here from Blitz. He had it going to a go-around. He almost was going to hit the gate, so he failed and did a second attempt. Which let Zion get enough breathing room to catch up, and now Blitz is still in a good position. If this position holds, one more lap to go. Come on, Yellow. Come on, Yellow, get him. You can catch the Florida pilot in Yellow. Blitz flying to the mountains. You can catch him, he's going up. He is right there with him. Red, safe, blue safe. Oh, Yellow, he almost got him. What a race. Yeah, look at the race. So WILDTYPE has won 2 of these Grand Prix. We're going to see if he can make it a third one. Zion's giving him a run for his money at the last one, but not quite able to do it. Who thinks that Red can get a third win under his belt? Who thinks that Blue from Colorado is going to come up and dethrone Red here? Here we go, guys. Let's cheer him on for this launch. Right there with him. So this is how you guys got to roll the game. About 4 feet. He's just going to run by with the sprint recovery back in the run, but he looks like he might be down and getting out, and that might be it. He's back up. He is way behind that one. He's back in the lead. So WILDTYPE has a half a lap lead here, so he needs to keep it clean. Zion has a lot of track left. If he can try to win the red score, but it's going to have to take a little bit of a miracle for Zion. A lot of people outside the road. Let's see it for him, guys. Let's see it for WILDTYPE. It looks like unless there's a miracle here for Zion, looks like you might be crowning 3-time champion WILDTYPE. I don't want to jinx it by saying his name too much, but this is it. WILDTYPE coming around, and let's hear it. He gets it done. WILDTYPE is his champion. Zion here goes coming in position 2. Really great racing from Zion. This is a really hard field of final racing against.